Well, that didn't go as planned. Good morning, guys. Good news. Been on the phone with Climate most of the morning, and finally getting some good results there. They're having to manually switch everybody's fields, like up there, correct them. Apparently, it's every Klaus customer. So, but hey, at least they've got something figured out. It frosted pretty heavy this morning, so there's not going to be any early starts. Probably going to be 11, 12 o'clock. Sun's trying to come out, but I don't know if you can see out the window. It's pretty frosty. But once that burns off, we are going to be doing some beans. Well, that didn't go as planned. Guess we're gonna have to get a battery for this thing because we had the kill switch off and still wouldn't start. Well, me and Dad came over here and cleaned up some of the dryer. Some of the beans were stuck in it, and I didn't record any of it, but now we're gonna see if that combine will start. See what happens this time. Round two.
Large down a penny and a half for $3.84.
One thing we forgot to do was fill this thing up with government juice. Urea. That's what Dad calls it, government juice. Alright guys, it's 1:30 in the afternoon now. As you can see, it's still hazy, overcast, and there's still frost on the ground. Huh?
They won't plant over.
Beans are real tough where there's still just a little bit of moisture on them. We really need the sun to come out and really dry them out. And they're soft. Real frustrating. So we're really more or less just playing a waiting game now. Hopefully the sun will come out. I don't think it'll take much sunshine to really get it to where we can run, but I don't think we can run right now. Well, right now we're taking my combine over there, probably hook it up to the head and more or less just wait, I guess. Probably, I don't know, maybe we'll send Trap to the top of the holding bins, or the grain bins for no reason again or something. He's supposed to be meeting us over there. Well guys, I'm just about up here to the field. There's so much frost and there's so much overcast. I mean, it looks like it's still 8 o'clock in the morning. Well guys, while we're waiting on this weather, I don't know, some neighbors are going to try it. We'll see how they do. I'd say if we tried to run right now, we'd be losing most of the beans. Like I said, they're not shelling by hand very easy. I'd say you'd frost up the inside of the combine pretty quick, but we're going to put some knives in my combine. Dad's going to put some knives in his combines down at the other farm where we finished that corn at yesterday. Maybe by then the sun will come out. Maybe it won't come out at all day. Who knows? So apparently Trey watched the first video he was in. You want to go check the grain bin?
I'm good. You got the thing to look at.
Oh, yeah, crap. I guess we're done with that. All right, well, it's 4 o'clock, and we're finally getting started. Dad's just started. One thing we never did yesterday was we never calibrated his bean head, so me and Trey are on our way over there to do that for him. Well, if you can't tell, Dad's combine's starting to freeze up. Where he's running these double crops, there's a lot of grass in this. This is not a very good stand where they ground it out. So if you look down here on this grass, there's just lots of frost still in it. It's starting to freeze up his combine. I'm gonna go try to run the first crop beans we have left over there where they're taller. There's no grass in them. We're hoping maybe they'll. I'm just in here trying to get my monitors all set, and then we're gonna give it a try. And the drapers froze. We're hoping that maybe instead of being frozen, it's just low on oil. Sometimes they'll act like that when they're out of oil. If that ain't it, I don't know what it is. Still not it. Head still won't work. None of the belts are moving except for the main feed belt. And, it's pretty upsetting. No?
I hope so. That's heck of it. Huh? There's something wrong. Pumps or something.
This isn't our night. I've got something wrong with my concave. I can't adjust it right now. It's just stuck, and I need it to be tighter. Getting a lot of pods in the tank. The beans look like absolute crap. This is a variety we've been having that issue with all year, though. So hopefully they're not as bad as I think they are. They've been showing 7 to 8%, and I thought they were way worse than that before, but I don't know, they look pretty bad this time. So, I don't know, it's not a good day. Well, Dad just went to test those beans. They feel wet. They feel really wet. My monitor's saying 15.8. The mill that we're going to take them to will take them to 18, and I bet they're close to 18. That's just the way they feel. So that's probably going to be it for today. It's just been an all-around bad day, like as far as production. I really was hoping we could get a 150 acre day between the two of us, and I don't even know if we got 10 acres. Maybe 10 to 15 acres. That's it. Yeah, what'd you test that? Moisture or damage? Told you they're bad. Well, Dad tested those 17 too. So that's better than I was expecting. But like me and him were talking, I'll be somewhat surprised if they take them. We're going to call an insurance man tonight. There's been a few people happen to do this in the area, and if you get rejected at the elevator, they'll pay you. But I mean, if you know much about crop insurance, it's not going to be the full value. But by the time they get done docking it, it might be more than the full value, I guess. So we'll just have to see. That's what we're harvesting.
Sure. There it is.
Almost looks like canola from a distance.
That's Randy.
Randy, Bob Brown.
Alright guys, we just got phone with the insurance man. Don't really know what we're going to do about these yet. First we got to take them to a sample of Cargill, see if they will take them. I'd be highly surprised if they don't take them. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. They will let us disc them under and then pay them on our insurance per insurance that we have. But for those of you that don't know, there is a government subsidy of $1.40 per bushel on soybeans due to the tariffs. And from what I understand, if we disc those under, we will not be eligible for that. So I don't know how they're going to handle that. That's kind of the, don't know. We'll have to find out. Hopefully, best case scenario is Cargill will take them. Like I said, I don't know. Find out in the morning. But thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, go ahead and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Brian's Farm Videos and Facebook at Brown Farms. And we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully with a little bit better soybeans, a little bit better news maybe.